What's going on, guys, and welcome to this new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of March 28th, 2025. I am Mason, the inventory specialist.
And I'm Justin, a photographer and product adder.
This is a series we like to do where we go through the newsletter with y'all and show y'all in person what each item is looking like. So, without further ado, let's get started.
All right, for this week, we have some Tim Holtz Bundles from Free Spirit. This is featuring some collections that are made by Tim Holtz, such as Abandoned, Abandoned 2, and Low Volume. The Abandoned bundles feature 10 stunning prints in vivid colors, and the Low Volume bundles feature 14 lovely prints in neutral colors. And if you look behind us, we have the two Abandoned bundles right there that you can actually see. So make sure to grab your Tim Holtz bundles today before they're gone.
First collection we want to start off today is from Free Spirit. It is the Fassett Collective Spring 2025. This is featuring the 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, the Nyla jacket kits, the bento quilt kits, the fat quarter bundles, and some assorted yardage. These are gorgeous and detailed floral prints with vibrant colors. Literally any color you could think of is in this collection. So create stunning quilts with Fassett Spring 2025.
Next, we have a steampunk-like collection called Full Steam Ahead from Blank. This is featuring the gallery drama kits and fat quarter bundles that include a panel, as well as 36-inch panels and the full collection of yardage. Like I said, this is a steampunk-themed group, so we have airships, chains, keys, locks, nuts, bolts, light bulbs, pocket watches, equations, and silhouettes in colors of copper, brass, brown, gray, and parchment. So make sure to wind up your creativity with Full Steam Ahead.
Next item we have for y'all are some kits. These are the Pickens Cross Stitch Kits. There's actually 4 different ones, just with the different assorted styles and patterns. But they range from $24.96 all the way up to $54.96. So depending upon which one you want, they are priced differently. But this is featuring queen bees, butterfly blooms, floral sewing machines, and the super bloom bouquet. So make sure to cross your heart and stitch some art with these cross stitch kits.
We have a group from Timeless Treasures called Knit a Little Magic. This is a small but full collection featuring knitting gnomes, knitting chickens, and scissors in colors of red, yellow, black, and gray. So make sure to stitch some magic into your quilts with Knit a Little Magic.
Next item we have for y'all is the sale kit of the week, which we also have behind us, just like the Friday bundles. It is the little X's and O's quilt kit. It is a throw blanket size of 55 by 64. The original price for it is $90.96, but it is on sale for y'all at $69.96. So a big old sale on that. So make sure to brew up some savings with little X's and O's quilt kits.
Next, we have another group from Timeless Treasures called Scarlet Beauty. This features the fat quarter bundles, the Highland tote bag kits, as well as the full collection of yardage. This beautiful group features patterns such as geranium florals, daisies, dragonflies, and other floral motifs in vibrant hues of red, green, gold, and black. So make your projects beautiful with Scarlet Beauty.
Next item we have for y'all is an item that's on pre-order currently, and this is a hot pre-order. It is the Gathering Wildflowers box quilt kits. This is featuring Super Bloom from Moda. The kits are shipping in May or June. These are just gorgeous, vibrant colored florals in front of a purple background. This is priced at $119.96. So again, pre-order the Gathering Wildflowers box kits before they're all picked.
Next, we have the March Bargains. This is a group on our website where we include sale items such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. So make sure to check daily because we update daily.
Next, we have our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. And this week we have Quilt Meets World saying, "I'm with Mason on cotton candy grapes. They rock. And let's not forget about Sugar Kiss Melon." Personally, I've never had Sugar Kiss Melon, but if you're bringing it up in conversation with cotton candy grapes, it must be fantastic. So I got to try that. But speaking of, Justin said he has a surprise for me this week.
I have a surprise for Mason. I actually have never had cotton candy grapes, so I Googled it after we recorded that episode. I've got some cotton candy grapes.
Thank you so much, sir.
You want to try one?
I will. I'll have one. I said they were great. There's no way I can't say that they're great and then not have them. You know what I'm saying? So Thank you. Now I'm chewing on camera. This is fantastic. But thank you again for the grape.
And with all that being said, we want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. That comment might be featured for comment of the week. You never know. And also, make sure to follow all of our social media links. Those will be found in the description. With all that being said, Mason, we'll see you all next week for a new episode. Bye.
Bye-bye.